Hey guys, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. And today I'm back again with Beary Christmas. I'm bound and determined to show you all how many different surfaces you can do it on. So before I get to it, I just want to let you know that if you would like to look around or shop or join, just go to chalkcouture.com/Cherie Criswell. This particular transfer is available now, so you should be able to get it if you would like it. So on to the video. So today I'm doing it on canvas, and before I laid this down, I took acrylic, white and gray paint and rolled it on. Now so far I have done this on two sides of a pillowcase. I have done it on a t-shirt and 4 of these little guys on MDF and cut it out with a screw saw. And now I'm doing it on canvas. So there's a lot of surfaces and it's still got a lot of uses. As you can see later, it's quite sticky still. And here I'm just putting on the black ink and scraping it off, putting the excess back in the jar, and then just making sure I don't leave any lines on there that will show up when I take the transfer off. And this is what I was talking about. It's still plenty sticky. But I did manage to get it off. There we go. Ta-da! Bye.